Modern living requires us to interact with and power a variety of electronic devices. With all of these devices, how are we to keep our living spaces free of clutter? What if every power switch was organized in front of you, with no wires to tangle or trip over? Meet Boxtap, the power strip simplified. In front are the on-off switches. With custom labels, you can easily tell which button relates to which device. Like a power strip, there is a main power switch and individual power switches. In the back, there is a box to organize all of your power plugs. Setup is simple. Simply plug in the main plug. Next, plug in the cords for each device and organize the wires. Close the back lid and all of your wires are neatly organized. Label the buttons on the front with icon stickers, including the main power switch. Each sticker has a simple icon representing the device it powers. Customizable labels are also available for unique devices. Use the USB ports for devices like your smartphone. Turn on the main switch and you are all set. With power strips, unplugging to conserve energy can be a hassle. And trying to clean between all those cords can cause wires to fray or tangle. Power strips can be hazardous to children and pets, and also pose a fire hazard when exposed to dust or other flammable materials. Boxtap is safe and hassle-free. Boxtap can be placed conveniently anywhere on your desk and can even be used as a monitor stand. Live a simpler and more organized life with Boxtap. Boxtap was designed to remove the inconveniences and shortcomings of the conventional power strip. Boxtap allows you to charge your devices and conserve energy